Hundreds of men who passed through Florida's so-called Alligator Alcatraz detention site have effectively disappeared from the system. Court filings show that there are still no clear protocols for lawyers to contact clients held at the makeshift facility in the middle of the Everglades. Attorneys describe it as an alternate system where normal immigration rules just don't apply. The Miami Herald reviewed detainee rosters from July and found that the whereabouts of 2/3 of the more than 1,800 men held there could not be determined. Around 800 names showed no record at all in ICE's database. More than 450 others simply said, "Call ICE for details," a vague note that could mean a transfer, ongoing processing, or imminent deportation. Unlike most immigration detention centers, Alligator Alcatraz is state-run, which means that Florida does not maintain a public system to look up detainees, and many never appear in the federal tracker either. Some immigrants abandoned their legal cases just to escape the harsh conditions, tents surrounded by chain-link cages and little shelter from the elements. Others who wanted to stay were deported anyway. One Guatemalan man living in the U.S. since 2001 was mistakenly flown back to Guatemala before a scheduled bond hearing in Miami. His attorney is now trying to bring him home. Another man, 35-year-old Cuban national Michael Borrego Fernandez, went missing for more than a week. His family was told that he was at a California facility, but after frantic calls, and a lot of them weren't answered, they discovered that he had actually been deported to southern Mexico. Former ICE Director John Sandweg said that errors were inevitable because this facility was thrown together in just over a week. But immigration attorneys argue that those mistakes have left families traumatized and clients permanently disadvantaged by what one called the Alligator Alcatraz label. Neither the Department of Homeland Security nor the Office of Governor Ron DeSantis has answered questions about the site. To continue following the story, subscribe to the Ravenna Report. The link is in my bio.